patty cake, Babish man. All right, I like that. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Andrew Ray, aka Babish, and I'm here in this beautiful kitchen that's been fully stocked and organized by IKEA, and I'm gonna see if I can make a delicious restaurant quality meal out of a bag of mystery IKEA ingredients. Let's see what we got. All right, we have some mustard and dill sauce, that's gonna be fantastic. Some fried onion. Ooh, shrimp. Frozen, cooked, peeled, deveined shrimp. All right, so let's think about this. We got shrimp, we've got the mustard dill sauce, crispy fried onions, we have some butter lettuce, some nice buns. I mean, definitely a sandwich of some kind. Let's make a Scandinavian shrimp sandwich. First things first, we gotta prep our shrimp patty mixture. We have our cutting board. And these guys are small, but I want them even smaller so that our patty really sticks together. I'm going with a chef's knife. You want as long a blade as possible so you can maximize the amount of shrimp you're chopping with each pass. I'm gonna place this in a big mixing bowl and we're gonna combine it with our other ingredients to make shrimp patties. Fresh dill. Dill and shrimp go together like spaghetti and meatballs. Now for structure, we need to add eggs. I'm gonna do 2 whole eggs and 1 egg white. We're also gonna add some lemon zest. This is gonna add a lovely pop. So to bind things together, we need something that's gonna soak up all that egg. You could use flour, but I'm gonna use breadcrumbs, kind of treat these like crab cakes. Beautiful flaky salt here, and always, always, always freshly ground black pepper. Rubber blade spatula, just to fold everything together. And what we want is a mixture that is nice and loose, but can hold its shape, almost like a snowball. Now we need to form the patties. I like to do this on parchment paper. It makes it easier to get them up and out into the breading station. But a problem with parchment paper is that it doesn't really stay in place. And that. Grab a little bit of oil, any kind of oil, and just drizzle some right on your sheet. Wipe it around, get it evenly applied onto your sheet. Press the parchment paper onto the oil, and the oil locks the sheet in place. Now, I want to make 4 evenly sized patties, and I think a pretty easy way to do this is to flatten the mixture out. And we're going to form them the same way you would any burger, really, just pat down on the top. All right, there's our shrimp patties. These guys are headed into the freezer for 1 hour to firm up before breading and frying. Now we need to make our aioli. So we need 1 egg yolk. Then we have our previously zested lemon, which we can now make good use of for its juice. I'm also gonna add about a teaspoon of this mustard sauce now, because not only is mustard gonna be a lovely flavor in this aioli, but mustard is an amazing emulsifier. It's gonna help us make a thicker, creamier aioli. Now I've got a ½ cup of neutral flavored oil, like vegetable or canola, and I'm gonna very, very slowly drizzle it in. Beautiful, thick, creamy aioli. All right, so now to turn it into a tartar sauce, I'm gonna add chopped onion, chopped pickles, and of course some more fresh dill. Also gonna add some freshly ground black pepper. Now we're just gonna whisk it all together. And that right there is a fresh, entirely homemade tartar sauce. This is gonna bring some very necessary acid and brightness to our sandwich. Now it's time to bread and fry our shrimp patties. You wanna have your breading station, your landing station, your fry oil all ready to go before you do anything. All right, first we're going in the flour. Make sure that everything is very thoroughly coated. Shake off excess. Flour into egg. And straight into the panko. It's generously coated in panko. The more you get on there, the crispier and crunchier this guy's gonna be. Now this guy's headed into our preheated oil. It's gonna fry for about 2 minutes per side. So let's give it a gentle flip. Ooh. All right, we've got a beautiful brown crust, so now it's time to take it out and drain it on some paper towels. It's gonna keep things crisp while we fry up the rest of the patties. All right, patties are fried up and crisp. Now we're gonna throw them in the oven to finish cooking through. Lastly, but certainly not leastly, we gotta toast our buns. If you don't toast your bun, I'll come to your house and do it for you. All right, buns are beautifully toasted. That means it's patty time. All right, let's grab our shrimp patties with these wackadoo oven mitts. Beautiful. Our shrimp patties are done, looking crisp. I'm gonna start by spooning some of our tartar sauce on the bottom bun. Just make sure we have plenty of flavor layered throughout the sandwich. Grab our lovely crispy shrimp patty. Top that with some more sauce. Some of these delicious crispy fried onions. Some butter leaf lettuce. Top it up. And there you have it, our crispy Scandinavian shrimp sandwich. All right, time to eat it. Let's take a look at that cross section. Ooh, look at that. Shrimpy, saucy, crunchy, herby, all the major food groups. Especially with deep frying, this could be a difficult, laborious sandwich to make. But with the high quality, portable tools from IKEA, it's made all the easier and all the more delicious.